Welcome back to the video. Today is going to be day 10 or episode 10, and if you watched the one before, like 2 years ago, something like that, then you would recognize that this is not who I'm drawing. It's actually Goof and Max because it was in honor of Father's Day, but let's be quite honest, I'm not going to be able to draw two characters, so today we're going to draw Goofy. Disney's Goofy. I don't really know his last name. I don't even know he has a last name. Max Goof. So I think, well, yeah, because Max's last name is Goof. That makes his last Goofy Goof. Is that really his last name? Meh. Alright, well, let's get started. We're going to start in 5, 4, 3, 2... Alright, here we are. Here is Goofy in a minute. I thought it was pretty good, but peace, love, and hot sauce. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all tomorrow. Can I put you as an outro? They love the kitty cats. Or at least that's what the internet tells me. They love the kitty cat. No? Alright.